everyone, how are you all? So today we are going to learn about a simple calculator. It means we will be creating a calculator by the use of code. But which code we are going to use? We are going to use Python. Python is a language of computer which is used to create games, softwares, applications, any websites or etc. Okay, so I will be showing you how we can create a very simple calculator. Scam. Okay, so here we are going to create one simple calculator. First of all, I will be writing while true because I want everything should be returned inside while loop and that should run again and again. Okay, so next thing is, while styling, yeah. I have taken two numbers from the user. I will hit print, addition, then 2, 3 for multiplication, accent. So I have three options. I have four options like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now I'm going to write, like first we will take two numbers from the user, a equals to n, input, enter number 1. Then we will take another number, b equals to int, input, enter number 2. Then we will take the choice from the user, like which operator user is like choosing. So I write c equals to int, input, enter your choice. And then I'm going to take op equals to input, enter your operator. Okay, now I'm going to write if c equals to 1, c equals to 1, then it should print addition is comma a plus b. If c equals to 2, then it should print subtraction is double quotes and comma a minus b. If c equals to 3, then print multiplication is double quotes comma a multiply b. Else it should print not valid. Let's run this code. Okay, so I'm going to enter the number 1, 3, number 4, now plus operator. So you can see we got the addition 7. If I'm going to run it again, I'm just entering 2 and 5, choosing the minus, and my choice is 2 now. So you can see it is minus 3. So in this way, you can create the simple calculator. And if you want to create more type of codes in Python, more types of simple applications in Python, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you.